Hello. Can I make an order, please, for collection?
Sure. What you want?
Can I have some jerk rice?
Jerk what?
Jerk rice.
Ma'am, I think you might mean jerk chicken or jerk pork.
No. It's jerk rice because I saw it. Jamie Oliver does it, and obviously jerk is associated to Jamaican. So I just thought I'd get
Jamie who?
Jamie Oliver. So I thought I'd
We
get.
don't know Jamie Oliver, and we don't make no jerk rice, and jerk pork, and jerk chicken. So what do you want?
Jamie Oliver, he's like a renowned
Listen,
chef.
English. It seems like the cold turn you a damn fool. All right? Me not hear nothing about no jerk rice.
Oh my gosh.
Jerk chicken. This woman. You ever hear about jerk rice? You damn idiot. Eh? Jerk chicken and jerk fish. So what you want?
I would like some jerk rice with that, please. Because obviously, if you don't, I can get it in the supermarket if that's the case. Yeah. I just thought.
You that damn fool go to the supermarket then. Listen English. Jerk a Jamaican thing. And there's no such thing as jerk rice. All right?
You must, if you don't have jerk rice and jerk chips, jerk potato.
You such a damn fool, woman. What do you?
Jerk egg?